In this video, we're going to talk about policy ownership. Let's first take a look at an individual life insurance policy. Let's say we have Bob. Bob would like to buy a policy from his agent, Jane. In this case, Bob is going to be the applicant, the owner, and the insured. Now, it's important to note that as the owner, Bob is going to have all the rights and privileges in the policy, such as paying the premium, making changes to a policy, and naming a beneficiary. Now, let's look at another example where Bob wants to buy a policy on his kids. In this one, Bob, who is the parent, Jane, who is the agent. Bob, as the parent, wants to purchase a policy on his kids. He has two kids, Alex and Anna. Now, in this example, Alex and Anna, the children, will be the insureds under their policy. However, Bob, the parent, will be the owner. This is an example of third-party ownership when they are different people. Another example of third-party ownership would be a key person policy. All right, so let's say we have Phil. Phil is the business owner, the employer. Bob works for Phil. Now, Bob is not just any employee. Bob is a key employee. A key employee is someone who has specialized knowledge, skills, and business contacts, a very important part of the business operation. Now, on a key employee policy, Bob would be the insured, and Phil would be the applicant, and Phil would be the policy owner. This is also an example of third-party ownership. One more example of third-party ownership would be like group life insurance. So let's say we have Phil once again as the employer. Jane is the agent. Now Phil, he has 4 employees that work for him. Phil would like to purchase life insurance for them. In this case with group life, the employees would be the insureds under that policy. However, Phil would be the applicant and he would be the owner. This is also an example of third-party ownership. Now, it's important to note in this example that since Phil, the employer, is the owner, he gets a master policy. Employees, since they don't own it, they do not get a policy. What group participants do get are certificates of insurance. And this is very important to note for your test that group participants get certificates of insurance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.